Hey guys, it's Jennifer Sparks, and I'm back again at Mystic Dunes in Orlando, Florida. I know I was just there, but my daughter lives close, so that's where I'm going. We're going to be staying this week in a one-bedroom with a full kitchen. If you could like this video and please subscribe to my channel, that would rock. I travel a lot, and I do resort tours so others can see what the resorts are like. Mystic Dunes is fairly large, so my last visit I made a video about where you would want to stay. If you're interested in seeing that, I'm going to link that at the end. And today we're going to be staying in building 31. And I'm going to be doing the tour right now. This is me checking in. I have the 6th floor. I had previously looked at where I'd want to stay, and this for me had the greatest location. Those of you who know me know that I love fountains, and it had a fountain view. Problem with the one bedrooms, none of them have balconies. Just a heads up. You have a window, and both of them open. There's 2 windows, but there's no balcony, nowhere to go outside. But it was June, and honestly, it was raining pretty much every day, so it really wasn't the end of the world. There's seatings for 4. We have a full living room with a pull-out couch. I checked underneath. It looked pretty new. It didn't seem like it was in bad shape. It was a pretty full kitchen. I mean, it was just me staying there, so it was way bigger than I needed. Check-in went pretty well. I checked in on a Monday. I had a Sunday check-in, and I went a day later, and it worked out great because I really didn't have a long wait. The weekends could be brutal anywhere now. It is June 2021 and everybody is starting to travel again. And the places are understaffed because they laid off so many people because of COVID. So you have to have a little patience sometimes in line. And it's hard sometimes because a lot of people are new and they're getting trained. So it could be a little aggravating, but this is what you got to do when you want to travel. Mystic Dunes, like I said, I did previously, a couple weeks ago, I did 3 videos of my stay here. One of the videos I made was of my 2-bedroom that they gave me. It was a handicap unit. The sink was much bigger in the 2-bedroom. The whole kitchen was bigger. Yeah, you got to see the video if you're thinking of a 2-bedroom. It was, I really thought for the extra money, the 2-bedroom was, nicer. Both dishwashers work really good in the 1-bedroom and the 2-bedroom. They got everything really clean. I can't complain about the cleanliness of Mystic Dunes. It's not my favorite place to stay in Orlando, but with that being said, it's not a bad place to stay either. There's places to walk. There's a restaurant on site. There's 4 pools, washer and dryer in the unit. That's always a great thing because I usually travel like Spirit or Frontier and they charge for bags. So I try to travel as light as possible. I come down frequently. My daughter lives in Orlando. She works at Universal Studios, and this is very close to her house. And between that and owning a timeshare, I own at Westgate, and I belong to Interval International. So I get these rates for Mystic Dunes very cheap when they have Platinum Escape discounts. I think I paid $179 for this room for the entire week. So that was the 1-bedroom. It's a king bed, and it has a full bathroom, no bathtub, just a walk-in shower. Mystic Dunes is off of 192 West. It's in back of Westgate, if you're familiar with Westgate Town Center. There's a big Walmart near it. So it's not really in walking distance to get things. I usually don't have a car when I stay here, especially lately. The rates for the cars are crazy. So I usually get Instacart when I come here, and they bring it right to your door within a couple hours. It's really convenient. Or they also have room service, which they will deliver it right to you. And I did that one night. I had ordered 2 sandwiches and had 3 meals out of it. I had the chicken sandwich, and it was some sort of turkey with cheese. It was good. It came with fries, and so that was a cool thing to do. So here right now, this is the next morning when it wasn't raining, and you could actually see out my window. Being on the top floor, it was an excellent view. Mystic Dunes is a big golf course too, just to note in case you're a golfer. Also on site for food, they have a golf clubhouse, which is open to the public, and they serve breakfast, lunch, and dinner. It was pretty good. I had breakfast there one day. Actually, we had breakfast there 2 days. I had with my daughter, and I can't remember. I think I had, it was like a breakfast burrito, and she had the French toast, and we both liked our entrees very much. And a little bonus, at check-in, they gave us a 15% off any meal coupon to use with the dinner. So it worked out to be pretty good. I don't know, it was like $25 for breakfast. That wasn't too bad. So I did a little remodeling. You know, I like to have the open air, so I moved my furniture around a little bit, opened up the windows. Like I said, it was raining a lot, unfortunately, that week, which is another problem at Mystic Dunes, is the pool was constantly closed. But I understand that, you know, it's lightning and stuff. I think I was just probably a little sour because I didn't have a balcony to sit on, but I think that's the problem. I wish they had more places to sit in Mystic Dunes. It's like, if you don't sit at the pool, there's nowhere else really to go. Like, I wish they had more areas that you could sit in besides the lobby. I felt on this trip I spent probably more time in my room than I normally do, but in a good thing, a really good thing, is the Fire Stick works in this place. So if you have a Fire Stick, it was very easy and very convenient to hook it up. So I watched a lot of Netflix and got to work on my videos. And would I stay at Mystic Dunes again? Definitely. It's a great place. It's not my favorite place in Orlando. Probably a lot of it was I didn't have a balcony. Spoiled. And that the pools were closed and the weather was bad. Not their fault, but it's a great place. The people are really nice. The people that I encountered, I didn't see too many people this week. But, you know, I mean, Building 31 for me is really close to two pools that I really like. And it's got the fountain view. Right here are two other videos that I made. If you want to check them out, I'm going to hook them to a playlist right here. Hope this video was helpful in your decision making. Thank you so much for watching. Safe travels to you.